Hello, good morning students. In previous class I explained graph. In this graph we have to discuss about parabola. If we throw a stone, it will travel in this path of parabola. Using this one, we can find intercepting points, that means zeros of the polynomial. Suppose p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 12. This is a quadratic equation. First, you split this one, x square minus x minus 12. 12, x square coefficient is 1. 12 1 ja 12. What are the factors of 12 means? 12 1 ja 12 1 ja 12, 4 3 ja 6 2 ja. So 6 plus 2 8, 6 minus 2 4. But middle term is minus 1. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 12 minus 1 is 11, but middle term is minus 1. So 4 minus 3, 1. So keep minus to big number, minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. This is rough work. X common, x minus 4 plus 3 common, x minus 4. Again x minus 4 and x plus 3. These are the zeros of the polynomial. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 3. So we know the values of zeros of the quadratic equation. So we have to prove it in graphical. This is a graph paper. This is y-axis, this one is x-axis, x, y, x dash means negative values, y dash. So 4 and minus 3 are the zeros. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Write the table for x square minus x minus 12. X square minus x minus 12. X, y. First you keep 0, x value take 0. 0 square, x square minus x minus 12. 0 square minus 0 minus 12. Answer is minus 12. So minus 12. 1. 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 minus 12. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. If you take 1 minus 12. If you take 2. 2 square minus 2. 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 minus 12 means minus 10. So 10. Minus 10. Minus 12. Minus 12. Minus 10. Take 4 directly. It will be 0. Because 0 of the polynomial. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, minus of minus 2, minus 12. So 4 plus 2 minus 12. 6 minus 12. Minus 2. Minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 3. 0. So table very clearly, if we take x is equal to 0, xy, x is equal to 0, we will get minus 12. X is equal to 1 minus 12. X is equal to 2 minus 10. 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2, if you take minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 0, because minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of quadratic equation. Take y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. In the scale, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14. X value is 0, y is minus 12. Keep into here. X value is 1. 1 opposite minus 12, this value also. 2 minus 10. 4, 0. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 6. Minus 2, minus 6. Minus 3, 0. So this is in the shape of parabola. Graphically, that means the parabola intercepts at minus 3 and 4. Our answer also 4 and minus 3. So working solution, the curve, this is curve. We don't use scale, only freehand. The curve passes through, what are the values? 0 minus 12, 1 minus 12, 2 minus 10, 4, 0, minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 0. Second point, the curve intercepts x-axis at minus 3 and 4. Therefore, solution set is minus 3 and 4. Take another graph. X square minus x minus 20. Rough work. X square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. 21 ja 20. 20 factors 10 2 ja 5 4 ja. Middle term is minus 1. So minus 5 plus 4. X common. X minus 5 plus 4 common. X minus 5. So x minus 5, x plus 4. X is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 4. X-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Table. x, y. If you substitute x is equal to 0, y value is minus 20. 0 square minus 0 minus 20. 0 minus 0 minus 20. Minus 20. If you take 2 square minus 2 minus 20. 4 minus 2 minus 20. 2 minus 20 minus 18. Minus 18. 3 after, take 5, 0. Minus 2 next. 5 is 0, y means 0 of the polynomial is 5. Minus 2 means minus 2 whole square, minus of minus 2, 4 plus 2 minus 20, 6 minus 20, minus 14, minus 3, minus 3 square, whole square, minus of minus 3, minus 20. 9 plus 3 minus 20. 9 plus 3 means 12. 12 minus 20 means minus 8. Minus 8. Take minus 4. Minus 4 is 0 because minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial. So y values are 18, 14, minus 8, minus 18, minus 20. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Two, 4, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, like that. Last value, minus 20. X 0, y value is minus 20. x2 minus 18, opposite to 2 minus 18. x5 0. x value is minus 3 minus 8. x value is minus 4 0. So graph will be like this. So here 5 and minus 4. So graph intercepts at 5 and minus 4. The graphical represents the same solution. The curve passes through 0, minus 20, 2, minus 18, 5, 0, minus 2, minus 14, minus 3, minus 8, minus 4, 0. The curve intercepts at 5 and minus 4. Okay, this is the graphical representation. It's for 4 marks question. So very important question. Next, sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. The question, x square minus 6x plus 9 is a quadratic equation. 9 x square coefficient is 1. 9 1 ja 9. Factors are 3 3 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So split x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. X common, x minus 3, minus 3 common, x minus 3. X minus 3, another one is x minus 3. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3. These are the zeros of the equation. That means let one is alpha, another is beta. Both are 3 and 3. You first sum alpha plus beta. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Alpha into beta. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. In quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 6x plus 9, ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c form. A is equal to 1, x square coefficient is 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 9 plus 9. B value is minus 6. B value is minus 6. Now, sum of the zeros. We added here 3 plus 3 is 6. The formula is minus b by a. It's not need to add using this formula minus b by a. Minus of b minus b means minus 6 by 1, that is equal to plus 6 by 1, that is equal to 6. Here we got 6. So without adding, using formula we can find sum of the zeros. Next, product of the zeros. C by a formula. C means 9 by 1, that is equal to 9. So here the product of alpha and beta is 9, C by a. So if we add the zeros or using the formula, we will get the same answer. Product also 3 into 3 is 9, C by a also same. Okay. Take another question. X square minus 2x plus 8. It's a question. Splitting this one, x square minus 4x question is minus 8. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. X common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4. Again x minus 4 and x plus 2. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. Alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to minus 2. Alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros. 4 plus minus 2. 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Alpha into beta, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. So, using formula, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Sum of the zeros. Minus b by a, how much? Minus of minus 2 by 1, that is equal to plus 2. So here 2, we got 2 and 2 here. Next, product of the zeros. C by a. C by a means minus, C means minus 8 by 1, minus 8. So, minus 8 and minus 8, both are same. So, sum of the zeros formula is minus b by a. Product of the zeros formula is c by a. quadratic equation, we always compare ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation standard form. So we compare a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Another problem. Suppose the question is x square minus 9. It is a quadratic equation because degree is 2, but there is no middle term. In the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. Plus bx missed here. Now take a is equal to 1, b is equal to, there is no b term of b, 0, c is equal to minus 9. Okay. X square minus 9 means 3 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Formula is a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus 3 into a minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. B is equal to, a is equal to, alpha is equal to minus 3. Beta is equal to 3. Plus 3 will become minus 3 and minus 3 will become plus 3. Alpha, beta, sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Minus 3 plus 3. Alpha into beta. Minus 3 into 3. Minus 9. Okay. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 9. Sum of the zeros. Formula is minus b by a. So b, there is no term of b. Keep 0. Minus 0 by a. That means 0. Next, alpha into beta. C by a. What is the value of c? Minus 9 by 1. That is equal to minus 9. 0. So without adding alpha and beta, we can find using the formula minus b by a and c by a. Okay. Suppose the question is u square plus 8u. So there is no constant term. Standard form means ax square plus bx plus c. We missed here c. So u common, u plus 8. So u is equal to 0, 0 of the polynomial, 0. 0 of the polynomial means if it becomes 0, u is equal to 0 or u plus 8 is equal to 0. Now u is equal to minus 8. That means alpha is equal to alpha beta, sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, c is equal to 0. Because constant term is 0. Minus b by a. Minus b by a. Minus 8 by 1. Minus 8. Product of the zeros is equal to alpha into beta. That is equal to c by a. C by a means there is no constant term, 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. So these two questions are very, very important. One is x square minus 9. Here there is no b. Next u square plus 8u. Here c is 0. Here b is 0. So these two are very, very important.